In today's modern world, we see massive use of data science and artificial intelligence every day. Artificial intelligence is no longer a sci-fi slogan used because robots are coming for your job. The integration of AI into various industries is a real phenomenon. Data science is no longer a trendy topic, it has become one of the most popular and powerful tools in the present world. With the recent advancement of data science and artificial intelligence technologies, the human being is not the only one capable of making decisions. We witness that a lot of applications such as Google search engine, Amazon's recommendation system, and Facebook news feed are being generated by algorithms. Data science has given a new dimension to traditional data processing methods. It helps us in finding patterns, trends, and insights into various fields. The widespread positive use cases for this emerging technology are boundless, from advertising to finance, from healthcare to entertainment, and everything in between. Let's have a look at some of the advancements and applications of AI and data science in the new era. The Fintech Industry. The term fintech refers to financial technology companies that use technology as a way to deliver better services to consumers and businesses. The finance sector is one of the most important sectors in the world. The finance sector is responsible for the movement of money from one place to another, and it is a critical part of any economy. It has become more important in recent years as it has been used to help create new jobs and stimulate growth in countries around the world. The finance sector has been using big data analytics solutions to make better decisions when it comes to investing, trading, and managing their finances. The use of big data analytics solutions has improved decision-making processes within financial institutions. This has allowed them to provide better services to their customers by being able to offer them products that are tailored to their needs. Big data analytics solutions can also be used by financial institutions to reduce costs, increase revenues, and improve performance levels within their organizations. Big data analytics solutions can also help financial institutions identify potential risks before they occur so that they can take measures that will mitigate these risks before they occur or even eliminate them altogether if possible. This will allow companies operating in this sector to avoid major losses that could have otherwise occurred due to unexpected events such as natural disasters or political unrest, among others. IT industry. The IT industry has been experiencing rapid growth in recent years. The main reason for this is the advent of cloud computing, which has brought about a new era in the IT industry. The cloud computing era allows users to access data and resources from anywhere at any time. Cloud computing also allows users to use a variety of services from different providers without having to worry about the infrastructure. With these features, companies can enjoy greater efficiency in their operations and better management of their business processes. In addition to cloud computing, artificial intelligence, AI, technology is also being widely used by many companies today. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, thereby helping companies make better decisions based on real-time information obtained from customers or other stakeholders. This will allow companies to improve their service quality and increase sales opportunities while reducing costs. The education sector. The education sector is no longer limited to the traditional classroom. It has evolved from being just an academic discipline to a complete learning experience. The focus is now on making learning more engaging, interactive, and personalized for every student. Artificial intelligence can be used to improve student engagement by using personalized learning techniques. It can also help teachers get better feedback on their teaching style by analyzing their teaching patterns over time and providing them with suggestions based on this analysis. The education sector is flooded with data on various aspects of education such as student performance, teacher feedback, school infrastructure, and more. These data sets can be analyzed by data scientists to understand how students learn better or what are the factors that contribute to higher dropout rates, etc. This will not only help students but also teachers as they can be trained accordingly based on their strengths and weaknesses. Data science can also be used to collect information from other sources like internet forums or social media sites where students share their experiences about different aspects of education like teachers or schools, etc., which may include negative or positive feedback about them. This information can be used as a basis for developing policies related to improving the quality of education across various levels of schooling like primary schools, secondary schools, colleges, etc. Healthcare industry. The industry is a great example of how data science and artificial intelligence are being used in the real world. The healthcare industry has been working hard to make the most of big data and AI. One of the main reasons that this industry has been so successful with using big data and technology like AI is because healthcare is such a complex field of study. Healthcare professionals need to be able to treat many different types of illnesses and conditions, which means that they need to have access to as much information as possible. A doctor can't just know what treatments work for one particular condition, they need to know what works for every condition. This means that there needs to be a system in place that allows doctors to access all of this information quickly and accurately. This is where AI comes into play. AI systems are able to analyze huge amounts of data quickly and easily, which makes them perfect for analyzing medical records and finding patterns that humans might miss when looking at smaller sets of data or less information altogether. Not only does this allow doctors to better understand what treatments work best for different types of illnesses, but it also allows them to predict how well a treatment will work before they ever administer it to a patient. The retail industry. In the retail business, data science can be used to improve marketing strategies as well as make better decisions on pricing and inventory. Data science can also be used to predict which products will sell better than others, which is helpful for planning inventory. Retailers can use data science to understand customer preferences and offer them relevant products. In addition, artificial intelligence, AI, can help retailers identify patterns in their data that might not have been obvious before. AI can help retailers determine what products are likely to be successful by analyzing past purchases. It can also help retailers determine the most popular sizes, colors, and styles of clothing so they know what to stock in their stores. AI can also be used to predict customer behavior by looking at past purchases and trends over time. AI and data science are the new technology revolution. It is growing rapidly, and it will be a part of each industry in the near future. The application of artificial intelligence and data science is very important to broaden the horizon of industries. It helps to find new ideas and solutions for many problems that we face. The application of these technologies has the potential to transform businesses and industries into more efficient and productive ones. It has a great potential to enhance the productivity of companies and make their products more competitive. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.